Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am discussing about the truck dispatch manager template that I've created using Excel and Google Sheets. So here in this workbook, we have different sheets, mainly list sheet, then the truck sheet, jobs and dispatch, and a truck search sheet. So this is a truck dispatch manager sheet, which provides us the information of all the trucks that we are dispatched according to the jobs. So here, the list sheet provides us the information for all the drop-down values that we are created. So instead of just typing manually in the main sheet, what I did is I created a customers column, then a material, pickup locations, delivery locations, dispatch and truck status, sorry. So here, first we can just fill all the customers, then the materials, then pickup locations, delivery locations, and dispatch status and truck status. All this information will get captured in the drop down, so we don't want to fill anything in the other sheets. Just we need to fill the minimum information. All the things are automated. This sheet, this sheet is the truck sheet, which we can just enter the truck number and we can just maintain their database, just like we can put the truck number. Let's say we have 25, sorry, 25. Then let's make it as active. And then these are optional, truck type and back to work. We can just mention any information which regards for this truck number. Then column F and G are automated, so we don't want to do anything here because we have the formulas. They will update automatically once we fill their respective information. So I'm just deleting this one right now. Now, this one is a job sheet. So what does this job sheet do is, first we are just entering the truck that needs to be dispatched and the customers that we want to deliver that truck. So this is also automated, and the cells for column till B to N, we can just fill it manually. Whereas this one is automatic. So let me show you as an example. Let's say I put 09, sorry, 08, 05, 2026. Then I can select the customer from here. If we look at this job, it's automatically updated. Then the material, maybe we can select from the list as well. Pickup location, origin, let's say this one. Then this one is our deliver location. The city area, I've kept it manual. Maybe we can call it as Rockwall. Then dump hours, let's put 7:30. Let's say I'll copy this one here. Then the total loads, maybe we can put 10. Rate, let's make it optional, and I'm just putting no information over here. But we can fill any information accordingly. The dispatch PO, anything which is related to this job, we can enter the contact dispatch. Right now, I'm just copying this one as an example. This now for column O, P, and Q. The trucks assigned, loads assigned, and loads remaining. This is automated. These all are using formulas. So this information will get updated automatically once we fill the trucks associated with this job. So I'm going back to the dispatch sheet now. And because this job is 1011, so I'm updating this job as I'm updating 1011. It's automatically added here in the drop down. Now I'm adding truck number 682 against this job, and then the loads, let's say 52. As an example, just I'm putting it 52. Right now I'm not able to dispatch this one. This is putting not dispatched. All the information with this truck gets automatically populated. You can see here the information that we just fill on the other sheet, which is job sheet. So this comes over here. This one is also having the formulas, and so this is the dispatch sheet. So we can update accordingly. Once I will dispatch, and when the truck is dispatched or completed, we can select the drop down, and the other sheets will also gets updated automatically. Now if we can go back to that job sheet, the last columns were not filled previously, but now as we can see here, once we assign the truck to that one, so this information will also updated automatically. Now again I'm going back to the truck search. So what this truck search here is, we can search the number of trucks, the truck number against the jobs. So, and it's multiple, we can search multiple trucks at a time. So there is, we can just type here. We can just use the drop down fill in option. First option is the date. So I've selected, I have added 4th of August 2026. Now, because these are already selected, so I just selected 627, which the 5 were there. So if I delete this one, it will be removed. And these rows, you can see here, I'm just searching 494, 516, 353. So 2 rows found for 353, 2 trucks, and the loads associated with this one is 3. The truck availability is active. Truck searched 4. Out of 4, 162 was not found. Deleting it is. Then 494 were found, and we have 2 rows for that one. Let's search for 627 here. 657, no. So for 627, we can get 3 rows here. And all that information associated with that truck, we are getting that information with regards to dispatch, the jump hours, the materials used, pickup location, map links, then the text message. So this is for the truck search. Then we discussed about the jobs, dispatch, and then the trucks. Okay, so the trucks information, this sheet provides us the number of trucks. So any trucks which we are having, we can just label the truck over here. Let's say if I have 1524 truck number, so I can label it off as 1524. Then let's say if it's an active in system, so we can put an active. This information we can get there. So this is the 4 sheets right now I have created, and I think this is an example. So it's using the dummy data here. But if you need any customizations using this manager, truck dispatch manager, you can reach me out. Or if you need this file, definitely you can reach me out for that one as well. So for customizations request, or if you need any help, you can reach me out over my WhatsApp or email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video, and this is all the information that I have presented in this video. So do subscribe me for more videos, and hope to see you very soon. If you have any questions or queries, message me in the description or make some comments, and I will definitely reply your comments very soon. So thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye for now.